Doug, what would you say is one daily practice that you do that contributes to your personal success?
I believe that all of us need to be continual learners, and I read a lot. But in the last year, which really has really upped my game, is that I've downloaded the Audible app on my cell phone, and so now when I'm commuting to and from work or wherever I'm going in my car, I listen to a book on Audible, and I've learned, I've been able to read another dozen books in the past year because of just commuting.